Tech isn't just about the big names like Apple, Tesla, or Google. There's a whole world of hidden tech gems, innovative gadgets, and tools flying under the radar, but changing the game in their own way. Today, I'm bringing you 5 hidden tech gems you probably didn't know existed in 2024, and trust me, you're going to want to check these out. First on the list is the Framework laptop. It's not just a laptop, it's a statement. Unlike traditional laptops, this one is fully modular, meaning you can swap out parts like the RAM, storage, and even the motherboard in minutes. Perfect for those who hate buying a new laptop every few years just because something broke. Plus, it's eco-friendly, reducing your waste and saving you money in the long run, starting at just $999. It's a hidden gem for students, tech enthusiasts, and anyone who values sustainability. Next up is Wyze, a brand quietly disrupting the smart home market. They make everything from security cameras to smart bulbs. But here's the catch, they're ridiculously affordable. The Wyze Cam V3 costs under $30 and offers features like full color night vision and 2K video, which usually cost hundreds with other brands. If you're building a smart home on a budget, Wyze is your best kept secret. It's the perfect combination of quality and price, and it works with Alexa and Google Assistant. Ever wanted to bring your doodles to life? The Aqara 3D printing pen is here to turn your creativity into reality. Unlike big 3D printers, this gadget is portable, easy to use, and affordable. Perfect for kids, artists, or anyone who loves DIY projects. Plus, it uses eco-friendly PLA filament, so it's safe and sustainable. Priced around $60, it's a fun and practical way to dive into the world of 3D printing without breaking the bank. Nothing Air 2 isn't just another pair of wireless earbuds, they're a design statement. With their transparent case and earbuds, they look futuristic, but they also pack a punch. Features include active noise cancellation, high-quality sound, and a super lightweight build. Oh, and they're cheaper than many premium earbuds like AirPods Pro. If you want earbuds that stand out without compromising on quality, these are a must-have. Finally, the Insta360 Go 3, the world's smallest action camera with big features. It's perfect for capturing unique angles, and with its magnetic mount, you can stick it almost anywhere. It's waterproof, shoots 2.7K video, and weighs just 35 grams. This is a dream for content creators, travelers, or anyone who loves documenting their adventures. At around $100, it's compact, versatile, and worth every penny. And there you have it, 5 hidden tech gems you probably didn't know about. These gadgets might not be mainstream yet, but they're redefining what's possible in their own way. So, which one caught your eye? Or do you know a hidden gem I didn't mention? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to We Talk Tech for more tech discoveries, and ring the bell so you never miss out on the coolest gadgets and innovations. See you next time.